Hello friend, this is Ravi Singh over here. I'm back with a new lesson. This is Air Strike Practice Set English series for Air Force and Navy especially. So guys, please do practice with me and crack the exams. Guys, without wasting your time, let's start now. Okay guys, you are just looking on this screen passage. So read this passage carefully. The four Vedas, Rig Ved, Yajurved, Earthved and Samved are known to be the earliest of ancient will. The real power was vested with the Sabha and Samiti. Guys, you read this passage yourself. I'm just waiting for this. First question, when are earliest Brahmanical books? जो शुरुआत ब्राह्मणिकल बुक्स है वो कौन सा है? And right answer will be, according to this passage, option number A, four Vedas. Number second question, the real power in the Vedic period was with, जो मेन पावर थी वो किसके हाथ में थी? So right answer will be option D, Sabha and Samiti. Question 3, the Aryans used to worship, आर्यंस थे वह किसकी पूजा करते थे? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, राइट आंसर, फोर्सेज ऑफ नेचर. नंबर 4, वॉज द कास्ट सिस्टम बाई बर्थ इन वैदिक पीरियड, क्या वैदिक काल में जाति प्रथा का चलन हुआ था? सो राइट आंसर विल बी सी, ऑप्शन नंबर सी, मे और मे नॉट बी. ओके, so now coming to second questions. Number 5, change the voice. आप वॉइस तभी चेंज कर पाएंगे जब आपकी वॉइस के सभी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर. दे लेट अस गो. सो पैसिव वॉइस, राइट आंसर सी, वी वर लेट टू गो. सो ओके, वी हैव डन दिस क्वेश्चंस. Number 6, change the narration. Change the narration. She said goodbye my friend. So you are just looking option 4, A, B, C, D. You know that right answer will be D. Okay. Number 7, synonym of convenience. 4 option. Number A, aliens. Number B, comfort. And D, right answer, chest. Saleen, sada, Hindi meaning. Number 8, antonym. Antonym of adhere, पालन करना, समर्थन करना. सो राइट आंसर विल बी बी, मिसफिट. ओके, number 9, spot the misspelled word. So right answer will be B, option number B, IMATURE. Option number B totally wrong words, and right words will be MATURE, mature, परिपक्व, prod. Next is one here. Number 10, past form of caste. So right answer will be D, CAST, caste, जाति. Number 11, adjective of gas. Its right answer will be C, gaseous, GASEOUS, gaseous. Absolutely. Number 12 is coming now. Plural of fox is, right answer will be A, foxen. Number 13, feminine of hunter is. Right answer will be C, huntress. Number 14, give one word for the following. A place where water is collected and stored. So right answer will be C, reservoir. reservoir, reservoir. Number 15, to make a mountain of molehill मीन्स राई का पर्वत बनाना, पहाड़ बनाना. ये प्रोवर्ब्स है और प्रोवर्ब्स के लिए बहुत सारे वीडियो बनाया गया है, आप देख सकते हैं लिंक पे जाकर. उसके लिए अलग से प्लेलिस्ट में बना हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे भी. सो राइट आंसर विल बी ए, टू गिव ग्रेट इम्पोर्टेंस टू ट्रीफल्स. नंबर 16, डायरेक्शन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द वर्ड्स गिवन बिलो. Number 16, what kind of fill in the blanks artist he is? So right answer will be D, no articles. Absolutely no articles. Number 17, fill in the blanks he exclamation marks. So right answer will be B, war. इमेजिनेशन सेंटेंस है, इमेजिन किया गया है यहाँ पे. Number 18, he is as talkative as a an. So right answer will be B, lark. Number 19, second last, a place where orphans are housed is called. Fill in the blanks, and right answer will be orphanage. Okay. Number 20, what does it mean if you dream fill in the blanks mountains? Social status and personal relation. So right answer will be D, absolutely D, about. What does it mean if you dream about mountains? Social status and personal relation. So okay guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video with me. So thanks for watching this video. So now lastly I would like to say something. Please don't care what people say about you, and never try to prove yourself to anyone, because no one is perfect. No one wants you to be perfect. Always prove yourself you are the best, because you know what you are and what you can be.